welcome to Indo Global Entrepreneurship Conclave 2023. This is your host Riya Mittal and I have with me Mr. Arun Kumar and Mr. Uday Kumar from Itio Innovex Private Limited. Hello sir and welcome to the conclave organized by Business Connect magazine. How is your overall experience over here at the conclave?
First of all, thank you for inviting me for this mega event. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Global Business Magazine for hosting this event and giving us the opportunity to facilitate the business networking across all other attendees. The experience about the event is eventually good. I've been to similar tents previously as well, and I'm enjoying the hospitality as well as I'm enjoying the networking with other fellow attendees, and I love to join again. Thank you.
That's great to know. So sir, our audience who's watching us, would you like to tell us about your company and its profile?
So, as a ETO, let me just explain you from the beginning. So, ETO Innovex Private Limited is a revolution of digital innovation at Bharat. I repeat my word, revolution of digital innovation at Bharat. We are focused on creating the revolution at the IT. Usually, when people think about IT, they believe that IT is very short, making the website designing, doing some artwork, making some little media, but that's not the IT. IT is something which is going to create a new revolution in the market, and this revolution is going to solve most of the problems. If you just focus on my company, the Itio Innovex, we are focused on fintech, and we have end-to-end solution for any fintech company, starting from the platform, SaaS, technology, handling the server, handling the large data, getting up the best security, tokenization, encryption, and not just that. Where it started implementing and adopting the new landscape of ChatGPT, which is AI. We are more integrated tool for the ChatGPT, and we would like to encourage all other IT companies and the people who are in such a platform where they are serving the customers or they are providing the end user support. They should focus on the ChatGPT or something similar tool of AI. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir. So as we talk about revolution, there are a lot of market trends that keeps on changing with time. So how do your company cope up with those changes and try to be updated and active with those trends?
So IT is always a changing. IT is not fixed. If you look at the IT 10 years back, it was something different. 3 years back, it was something different. Even at the lockdown, it was something different. Even I'll give you an example, like people, they were not aware about work from home. But ideally you would notice that there are a lot of people who are focused on this. So IT is exactly changing. Like I was at the panel and I was looking someone, he was saying that India was the 106, was the ranking where Indian people were using the data. And now the India has the number one position where the people use the data. So IT is always changing. It's not fixed. Now, if you will not adapt yourself with the running techniques, ideology, you would be outdated. I would say as in today, there are a lot more people who are switching themselves from Google to ChatGPT.
Yes.
Because maybe even the Google is a big company, I'm not saying that they are not good and they are not capable. Yes, they are. But somehow they missed that revolution. And then the ChatGPT, they grabbed up the market. So yes, maybe I'll give the mic to my fellow colleague Uday. Maybe he'll focus some light on this, that how ChatGPT can help human being for IT professional, not just for IT profession, for anyone and for everyone.
Yeah.
There was a lot of misconception regarding the ChatGPT or AI will replace the people. AI is not here to replace people. Rather, it is someone or something which is enhancing your capabilities, the quality of the work. The end user, the people already in the market, those who are in the content writing or those who are in any form of services where AI has been implemented, the things are moving for the better. A content writer which was able to deliver a single content, now he can work out on 4 to 5 contents. He is not being replaced exactly.
Absolutely.
But having said that, the market is flooded with lot of AI tools. Every day 3 to 4 AI tools are being launched. People are still experimenting with it. But I see the market will stagnate within like 6 months to 1 year, and we can take a direction from there whether that is going to disrupt the job market or not. But as of now, it has really helped a lot of people to do work better, and I guess the things are going to be better day by day only.
Superb.
I would like to add one line here. I've seen there are a lot of influencers on YouTube,
Yes.
on Instagram. They used to say, they come up with that chat GPT will replace you, your career would be at risk, something like that, and they are just creating haddle in the people's mind, but that's not the fact. With AI, I mean, AI will not replace you, but AI will give you the opportunity to deliver much quality work.
Yeah.
So for example, if you're doing 10 tasks in a day, with the help of AI you would be able to do 20. So technically and eventually your company will have a double result. So why your company will fire you?
Yeah, absolutely.
But I'm not sure why those people, why those influencers influencing the people that ChatGPT will replace you. Instead, they should be teaching us that no, adopt ChatGPT and it will give you the possibility to increase the quality of your work. Because this quality of the improvement at the work, it will going to give you, I would say, very good recognition, profit to your company, and it is going to give you the star on your performance. I'm sure everybody loves stars at the performance, right? I'm sure you do.
Yeah,
As an
definitely.
anchor. Thank you. Yeah, so that's all.
So, sir, talking about Chat GPT and AI, may we know some of your company's unique selling points?
Okay, so the unique selling point is coming, as I said, that we are a fintech company and we offer end-to-end solution for a fintech company, peer-to-peer wallet, semi-closed wallet, loop wallet, payment gateway, payout system, e-banking,
Yeah.
SaaS module, crypto tokenization, anything. Now, what is the role of ChatGPT? Let's take an example. Earlier, the developer used to write the code by using their own ideology, and of course, we are human.
Yeah.
We can make errors. Now, when we have implemented ChatGPT, those errors are very minimal. Like earlier, if we used to face 50 errors, now there is 0. So automatically, the quality of that code, quality of those skills has been increased. Earlier, we used to have a different people on the testing level, but now with the help of AI, we can minimize that. But again, it's not going to minimize the job opportunity for the people, but it is going to give an opportunity for a company to expand with the help of AI.
Okay.
Now, I'll take an example. Maybe not in the IT, any field. For example, if you wanna write an email to your boss for
Okay.
something, you would be usually searching on Google and finding the template,
Yeah.
and then you would have to cut those templates, then you have to manage, then you have to fit
Yes,
according to yourself. But the
absolutely.
ChatGPT just say that my name is this, my company name is this, and I want to write an email for this. This is my day and this is my time, and then AI will give you complete ready-made email. You don't have to go all over it.
Yeah.
Usually, I've seen the people, they used to talk with the clients over the instant messages like WhatsApp, Skype, and they used to chat like when they are talking to someone who is their friend, not client.
Yeah.
But the same thing when you do with the ChatGPT help,
Yes.
you would be able to do in a better way. So your client, they will recognize you as a professional, and you would be able to maintain that professionalism. And I believe that is a success story. And we encourage to everyone to follow it. Thank you.
Definitely. Thank you, sir. And what are your company's goals and plans for the coming 5 years? Where do you see your company growing in these 5 years?
So for me, this question is not just the growth of the company. I start this with my growth.
Okay.
So if I'm growing, my company is growing, my peoples are growing, my entire ETO team is growing, that is my goal, that is my success. I just don't want to cover it by saying that, Bharat is going to lead the 5 trillion economy. Yes, I'm going to play one part of it.
Yeah.
But how will I do that? I'm going to help my team to stand next to me. And when my team is helping me to manage the task, I guess that is a big success for me. I might not be the best company, but I'm the perfect fit. I might not be able to provide the best things to the employees, but I'm providing everything which they require. So I believe that my success is happiness of my people who believe me, and they are, joining the hand together to grow ETO. Thank you.
Super. Thank you so much, sir. It was really wonderful talking to you, and we really hope that you have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much. I have the same feelings and blessing for you.
Thank you.
God bless you and God bless Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.